Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to send photos in TikTok messages, and all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application. And while you're here, all you have to do is to tap on the plus icon. From there, I'm going to choose a photo. So I'm going to choose this one. Wait, tap on select, or going to tap on next. And then you're going to tap on this option that is saying everyone can view this post, and you're going to put it on only you. And from there, you're going to tap on post, wait for it to upload, and then you are going to either head on over to your profile or head on over tap on following, and then you're going to tap on the story that is here, and then you're going to tap on the share option. You're going to send it to the person that you would like him or her to view. So I'm going to send it to this person, and I'm going to recognize it saying hi. I'm going to tap on send, and as you can see, yes, even me a notification saying that it's sent. So if I go to that person and tap on my inbox and upon the person that I've sent his message to, you're going to see it here, as you can see. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.